Hello everybody, this is Umar from Simple Tutorials and welcome back to another video. In this one, we will be talking about how to join Tommy Hilfiger affiliate program. So this is going to be a step-by-step process. Make sure to follow till the end of this video. Also, do not forget to head over to the link in the description of this video to simply support to our channel and donate us. Alright, now talking about joining Tommy Hilfiger affiliate program, it's quite simple. You need to head over to www.commissionfactory.com and /advertiser directory /Tommy Hilfiger affiliate program. And yeah, so once you're on this page, you will see that we have this option to join affiliate program. But before we click on this option, we have this drop down the top from where you can select your region. So if you're applying from, like, for example, Australia, Malaysia, and New Zealand, or maybe Singapore, whatever service you want to avail, you can select it from here. Once you do that, then you can move on to join affiliate program. Click on join affiliate program, and then you need to enter your details to sign up. So you need to be signed up on the platform to get started with, and then you can get started with their affiliate program. You can see all of these perks and benefits you're going to be getting once you are in their affiliate program system. And yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. Make sure to head over to the link in the description in this video to simply donate to our channel, and for more videos like these, head over to Tutorials Hub.